Every morning, I wake up to the same ritual. The sun peeks through the curtains, casting a warm glow across the kitchen, and I shuffle my way to the fridge. There it is, my bright red bottle of beetroot juice, sitting like a beacon of health and vitality. I never thought I'd become one of those people, the ones who swear by their green smoothies or their kale salads, but here I am, a beetroot juice devotee. It all started as a whim, a fleeting curiosity sparked by an article I stumbled upon online. Drink beetroot juice every day and see what miracle happens, it promised. Miracle? I chuckled at the absurdity of it all. But then again, what did I have to lose? I poured my first glass, the thick, earthy liquid swirling in the glass like a potion. I took a sip, and the taste was unexpected. Earthy, yes, but also sweet, with a hint of something almost floral. I felt like I was drinking the very essence of the earth itself. It was strange, invigorating, and I could almost hear my body whispering, "Thank you." I decided to commit to this experiment for a month. Just 30 days. I could do that. The first week was a blur of crimson mornings. I felt a little lighter, a little brighter, but I chalked it up to the novelty of it all. I was waking up earlier, feeling more energized, and even my skin seemed to glow with a newfound radiance. Friends started to notice. "What's your secret?" they'd ask, their eyes wide with curiosity. I'd smile and raise my glass. "Beetroot juice." They'd laugh, thinking it was a joke, but I was dead serious. By the second week, the changes became undeniable. My workouts felt easier, my endurance improved, I was running longer distances without feeling winded, and my recovery time was cut in half. I could hardly believe it. Was it really the beetroot juice? I started researching, diving into the science behind it. Nitrates, blood flow, oxygen delivery. My brain swirled with information. I was becoming a beetroot evangelist, preaching the benefits to anyone who would listen. Then came the third week, and that's when the real magic happened. I woke up one morning, and it was like a light switch had flipped on in my brain. Clarity, focus, creativity, it all surged through me like a tidal wave. I sat down to write, and the words flowed effortlessly. Ideas that had been stuck in my mind for months suddenly spilled onto the page. I felt unstoppable, like I could conquer the world. I couldn't help but wonder if this was the miracle the article had promised. But it wasn't just physical and mental changes. There was something deeper happening. I found myself more in tune with my body, more aware of what I was putting into it. I started experimenting with other foods, incorporating more vegetables, cutting back on sugar. It was as if the beetroot juice had opened a door to a healthier lifestyle I never knew I wanted. As I approached the end of the month, I reflected on my journey. I had started this experiment as a simple curiosity, but it had transformed into something profound. I felt like I had reclaimed a part of myself that had been lost in the chaos of everyday life. The beetroot juice was more than just a drink. It was a catalyst for change. So here I am, standing in my kitchen, holding that bottle of beetroot juice, ready to pour another glass. I think about the miracles that can happen when you open yourself up to new experiences, when you dare to step outside your comfort zone. Who knew that a humble root vegetable could lead to such transformation? I raise my glass to the universe, to health, to the unexpected miracles that await us when we embrace the unknown. Cheers to the beetroot juice, my daily reminder that sometimes the simplest choices can lead to the most extraordinary outcomes.